welcome to my 7th internship task of Sparks Foundation, that is stock market prediction using numerical and textual analysis. Now let's move on to the objective of this project. The objective of this project is to predict stock prices using numerical analysis of historical stock prices and sentimental analysis of news headlines. The stock to analyze and predict is S&P BSE. Let's see what all things we are going to see in this presentation. First of all, we'll see the stock price prediction using numerical analysis. Then we'll see sentiment analysis of the news headlines on the stock price. Then we'll see stock price prediction using historical stock prices and news headlines of those dates. Finally, we'll see the results obtained from the above points. Stock price prediction using numerical analysis. From this graph, we can see that the prediction is rupees 20564 obtained by numerical analysis. This green line is the predicted line, which shows the predicted stock price. So if anybody wants to buy shares, it's not a good time. Instead, it's a good time to sell the shares if someone has bought it when its price was low in the previous years. Sentiment analysis of the news headlines on the stock price. Now here the close variable represents stock price. We can see from this heat map that the stock price is not dependent on any of the sentiments of the news headlines. These are the sentiments of the news headlines, that is positivity, negativity, polarity, neutrality are the sentiments of the news headlines. So none of these sentiments have any impact on the stock price. So the prediction from the sentiment analysis of the stock prices will not be the correct one. Stock price prediction using historical stock prices and news headlines of those dates. Since the stock prices are not dependent on any of the sentiments, positivity, negativity and polarity of the news headlines, as we saw in the previous heat map, and the time series model has the best accuracy, so we'll consider the results of time series model as the correct prediction is rupees 20564 with the MAPE value, that is the error, of 4.12%. These are the predicted values for the future years. Actually here the future years are shown as 2010 because we have taken this part of data as the test data, as the unknown data from the given data set of S&P BSE. Now let's move on to the conclusion we have obtained from all these data analysis. Stock price prediction using numerical analysis is rupees 20564 that we have obtained. By sentiment analysis, we have come to the conclusion that none of the sentiments, namely positivity, negativity and neutrality, have any effect on the stock price. Also, we have seen the prediction of the numerical analysis are more accurate, that is rupees 20564 with an error of just 4.12%. So we will take this value into consideration as the predicted stock price. Suggestion: since the stock prices are lower than the just previous date but not too low, it will not be a good idea to buy the shares at this point in time. Instead, it will be a good idea to sell shares if they had been bought when the price was too low in the past to gain a high profit margin. So that was all about the results obtained by the numerical and sentiment analysis of stock prices. Now we'll see the code behind this result. This is the code behind the analysis we have done. So that was all about stock market prediction using numerical and sentiment analysis. With that note, I would like to end this presentation. Thank you.